All right, so for that run, it ended up being 1,440 pounds, 6.75 cents a pound, $97. I keep missing just barely that $100 mark. I haven't hit that yet for shred. But that was from mostly the stuff I found yesterday and that house call that I made with the backhoe bucket and other things that were there. And there was a lot of non-ferrous stuff with that, so that was just the shred. So a nice full load today, and I'm going to head back and start working for the rest of the week on the non-ferrous stuff, because Thursday or Friday I am going to the small scales and I'm hoping for my largest paycheck yet. We'll see how that goes. So one of the issues with this yard is that the train tracks run right through the entrance and exit, so other than the regular trains that pass through pretty slow, which don't take up much time, you have these trains that need to hook up to the cars that are in the yard, and that can take quite a while. So it looks like I'm probably going to be here a good 5 to 10 minutes waiting to get out, but at least I don't have anything pressing, so just chill out here for a while.